Skyscrapers. These massive structures define our cities. They are more than just tall buildings. They are symbols of human ambition and progress. Imagine a city without these giants. It would be a very different place. Skyscrapers maximize limited space. As more people move to cities, land becomes scarce. Building upwards is the solution. These towers provide offices, homes, and entertainment venues all in one place. They are also architectural marvels. Each skyscraper is a unique work of art. Their designs push the boundaries of engineering and creativity. They transform our skylines and inspire awe in those who behold them. Truly, skyscrapers represent the spirit of urban innovation. They are testaments to our ability to overcome challenges and reach for the sky. Building a skyscraper is like stacking building blocks. But unlike the simple toy blocks you might have played with as a child, constructing a skyscraper involves a level of complexity and precision that is truly mind-boggling. Instead of your toy bricks, we're talking thousands of tons of steel and concrete, meticulously planned and executed. Each piece must fit perfectly, and the materials used are designed to withstand immense forces and pressures. And you can't just stack them on any old ground. The ground beneath a skyscraper must be carefully analyzed and prepared to ensure it can support the enormous weight of the structure above. You need a foundation strong enough to hold all that weight. This foundation is the bedrock upon which the entire building stands, and it must be engineered to perfection. Think of it like this: the foundation is the building's shoes. Just as you need sturdy shoes to support your body, a skyscraper needs a robust foundation to support its towering structure. The bigger the building, the bigger the shoes need to be. For a skyscraper, these shoes are often massive concrete pads that provide a stable base. For skyscrapers, those shoes are massive concrete pads, sometimes going hundreds of feet underground. These deep foundations ensure that the building remains stable, even in the face of natural forces like wind and earthquakes. There are two main types of foundations: piles and rafts. Each type has its own unique characteristics and is chosen based on the specific needs of the building and the ground it stands on. Pile foundations are like driving giant nails into the earth. These piles are driven deep into the ground until they reach solid bedrock, providing a stable anchor for the building. These nails, called piles, are made of steel or concrete and go deep down until they hit solid bedrock. This method is particularly useful in areas where the surface soil is not strong enough to support the weight of the building. Raft foundations are different. Imagine a giant, thick concrete slab under the entire building. That's a raft foundation. This type of foundation spreads the weight of the building over a large area, reducing the pressure on any one point. It spreads the weight of the skyscraper over a large area like a big, strong raft floating on water. This method is often used in areas with weaker soil, as it helps distribute the load more evenly and prevents the building from sinking or tilting. What gives a skyscraper its strength? The answer: its skeleton. Just like our bones give us shape and support, a skyscraper's skeleton holds everything together. This skeleton is called the structural frame. It's usually made of steel, although some older skyscrapers used concrete or even stone. Steel is super strong and can handle a lot of weight. Think of it like building with giant Legos. Steel beams are bolted and welded together, forming the building's columns, beams, and floors. This skeleton supports the weight of the entire building. But it's not just about strength. Steel is also flexible. This is important for tall buildings that sway in the wind. The flexibility of steel helps skyscrapers bend a little, instead of snapping under pressure. Have you ever felt the wind push you around on a windy day? It's a force that can make even the simplest tasks, like walking down the street, feel like a challenge. The wind can be relentless, pushing and pulling with a strength that can catch you off guard. Now imagine how much stronger the wind is, hundreds of feet in the air. Up there, the wind isn't just a nuisance. It's a powerful force that can sway buildings and test the limits of engineering. Skyscrapers are constantly battling the forces of nature. The higher they reach, the more they are exposed to the elements, especially the wind. These towering structures must be designed to withstand the constant pressure and movement caused by strong gusts. To stand tall against the wind, engineers use clever designs. They spend countless hours studying wind patterns and testing models to ensure that these buildings can handle whatever nature throws at them. One trick is to make the building's shape aerodynamic. By designing skyscrapers with smooth, sleek lines, engineers can reduce the wind's impact. This means the wind flows smoothly around it instead of pushing directly against it. This aerodynamic design helps to minimize the force of the wind, allowing the building to stand firm even in the face of strong gusts. It's a bit like how a sports car is designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance. Another trick is to use something called a tuned mass damper. This ingenious device is a key component in modern skyscraper design. It's a heavy weight, usually placed near the top of the building. This weight acts like a giant pendulum, counteracting the building's sway. When the wind pushes the building one way, the tuned mass damper swings in the opposite direction, keeping the building balanced. Think of it like a seesaw. When one side goes up, the other goes down, creating a balance. The tuned mass damper works in a similar way, ensuring that the building remains stable. When the wind pushes the building one way, the tuned mass damper swings in the opposite direction, keeping the building balanced. Pretty cool, huh? This combination of aerodynamic design and tuned mass dampers allows skyscrapers to stand tall and resilient, no matter how fierce the wind may be. Section 5. Building a giant step by step. Building a skyscraper is like a well-choreographed dance. It takes a lot of planning and coordination. First, you need a plan. Architects and engineers design every detail from the foundation to the rooftop. Then, the real work begins. Construction crews excavate the site, creating a massive hole for the foundation. They pour concrete, erect steel beams, and assemble the building piece by piece. As the building rises, different teams work on different floors. Electricians install wiring, plumbers connect pipes, and HVAC technicians set up air conditioning and heating systems. Finally, after years of hard work, the skyscraper is complete. Windows are installed, walls are painted, and the building is ready for its grand opening. Section 6. Famous giants around the world. Some skyscrapers are so iconic, they become symbols of their cities. These towering giants not only define the skyline but also represent the cultural and economic aspirations of the places they inhabit. They are marvels of modern engineering, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in construction and design. Take the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, for example. This architectural wonder is not just the tallest building in the world, it is a symbol of Dubai's rapid development and ambition. Standing at an astonishing height, it offers breathtaking views of the city and beyond. It's currently the tallest building in the world, soaring over 2,700 feet into the sky. The Burj Khalifa's design is inspired by traditional Islamic architecture, and its construction involved some of the most advanced engineering techniques available. Then there's the Empire State Building in New York City. This iconic structure has been a symbol of American ambition and ingenuity since its completion in 1931. It was constructed during the Great Depression, a testament to the resilience and determination of the American spirit. This Art Deco masterpiece was the world's tallest building for over 40 years. Its distinctive design and towering presence have made it a beloved landmark, featured in countless movies and photographs. It's a symbol of American ambition and ingenuity. The building's nightly illumination in various colors often marks significant events and holidays, making it a dynamic part of New York City's cultural fabric. And let's not forget the Shanghai Tower in China. This modern marvel stands as the second tallest building in the world, and is a testament to China's rapid urbanization and technological advancement. This twisting skyscraper is a marvel of modern engineering. Its unique design not only makes it visually striking but also serves a functional purpose, reducing wind loads on the building. Its unique shape helps it withstand strong winds and earthquakes. The building incorporates numerous sustainable technologies, making it one of the most eco-friendly skyscrapers in the world. These are just a few examples of the incredible skyscrapers around the world. Each of these structures tells a story of human ambition, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Each one is a testament to human creativity and engineering prowess. From the initial design phase to the final construction, these buildings represent the pinnacle of architectural achievement and the unyielding human spirit. Section 7. The Strength Within. When you look at a skyscraper, it's easy to be impressed by its size and beauty, but the real magic is hidden within its walls. It's the unseen strength that allows these giants to stand tall. Every beam, every column, every bolt plays a crucial role in supporting the immense weight of the building. It's a symphony of engineering, a testament to our understanding of physics and materials. The next time you see a skyscraper, take a moment to appreciate the invisible forces that hold it together. It's a reminder that true strength often lies beneath the surface. Section 8. Reaching new heights. Skyscrapers are more than just buildings. They represent the pinnacle of human achievement. They are symbols of our ingenuity, our resilience, and our constant desire to reach for new heights. From the earliest skyscrapers to the mega-tall structures of today, we've continuously pushed the boundaries of what's possible. We've found ways to build higher, stronger, and more sustainably. As we face new challenges in the 21st century, skyscrapers will continue to play a vital role. They will house our growing populations, foster innovation, and inspire us to dream big. So the next time you look up at a skyscraper, remember, it's not just a building, it's a symbol of human potential reaching for the sky.